My name is Mahbubul Islam and my project is stopwatch. So here I'm going to show you. This is three ICs. This is IC 555 and this is 4026, and there are two 7-segment cathode and one push button and one on-off button. So here IC 555 from 1 pin goes to ground and 2 pin goes to the 6 pin, and there is a capacitor of 100K which goes from 2 to ground, and there is 4 goes to the 8 and 8 goes to the VCC, and there is also another capacitor going from 5 to ground. Resistor of 0.1 goes to 7 to 6 to 7, and another is 10K goes to 7 to 8. Now the output is coming from 3. Let's check it. And this is the clock pulse. Okay, now this is the clock. This is the IC 4026, and there is 16 pin. It goes to the VCC, and 15 goes to the ground, and there is also 2 goes to the ground and 3 goes to the VCC. Now let's take the clock pulse from and give it on the 1, and from here goes to the 7 segment. There is a ground from 3 pin to here, and going 6, which is F, goes to F, 7 goes to G, 9 goes to D, 10 goes to A, 11 goes to E, 12 goes to B, and finally now the 13 goes to C, and there is the negative one coming. Now let's check this one. The clock is working. Second pulse is going. And let's take the clock signal from first IP 5 to the second IP IC 1 and let's put the others. 6 goes to F, 7 goes to G, 9 goes to D, okay, so 6 goes to F here and G, and then 9, 10, 11, 12 according to the first IC all goes to here, and there is a negative goes to the ground. Okay, so let's so as you can see, the first one is counting 0, 1, this one goes to 9, and then this one goes to 1, 2, 3 and so on. I have several of segment, but none of them working except one, so simply I don't know. So now let's put all them on the button. So the clock rate is going to 1, will come to that button, and from the button goes to the LED, so that we can know the LED is on and the timer is going. So the clock is coming to the switch, and the switch goes to the LED, and another one goes to the IC1 clock. So okay, so the clock is working, and if I push the button, it still, so it's paused now, then again coming from the resume there, push and resume from there. Now let's put the push. So for the push button, here comes the 15 and this 15 from those two IC come to a common here, and there's a 10k register going from there to ground, and another one where is coming to the push button negative, and one is coming from here. So let's push it and then pause it 0, and then again resume it, push and then reset 0, so it's working. Okay, so